If you are part of our CT Club at learningcrypto.com, you will know that I've been touting a spot Ethereum ETF for a very long time now. And also one of my last videos, when the spot Bitcoin ETF came out, I said, what's next? That was pretty much the title. A spot Ethereum ETF is going to come out. It was pretty obvious at the time. Now, Larry Fink just said this. BlackRock's Larry Fink says, sees value in having an Ethereum ETF. This is according to Reuters. This is probably why you're seeing a massive spike in the price of Ethereum. And also made a trade alert on learningcrypto.com that I would think accumulating more Ethereum is pretty wise right now. Right now we have Ethereum BTC pair back at May 2022 prices. And this is really interesting considering that the spot Bitcoin ETF had just passed. The reason why I think Bitcoin is dropping a little bit is because there's massive amounts of open interest, leverage in the system, a lot of longs that were aggressively longing Bitcoin. And you know what? Who can see that? The sharks at BlackRock and all of Wall Street can see that, and they're going to liquidate the crap out of them. It's called liquidation hunting. It's great. This is what needs to happen, because people that are over leveraged in this space, they're just gamblers. They really don't belong in this space. The people that actually belong in this space are the holders, the people that actually see value into Bitcoin instead of just gambling their money away. So let's go on to a tweet from Bitcoin Archive on Twitter. He says, the Bitcoin ETF with the lowest trading volume yesterday still had more volume than 95% of ETFs launched in 2023. This is according to Bloomberg, which is really interesting that, you know, it is the first day out of the box, and a lot of people, these guys are going to be swimming like sharks around people, trying to get as much Bitcoin as possible. That is their main goal right now. And I think if you want to look at why these people have actually gotten into Bitcoin, I think it's just to pretty much be the main Bitcoin holders out there in the world. I think they're going to pass Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor doesn't have as much money as BlackRock, not even close, and not even close to all the other BlackRock friends. But guess who is kind of missing the boat? And there's a little catch here that I'm going to give you. All right, Bank of America owned Merrill Lynch joins Vanguard in denying customers access to spot Bitcoin ETF. This is according to Fox News. So yeah, they're not giving their customers any access to even like a derivative of Bitcoin, which is a spot Bitcoin ETF. So what's going to happen now? My prediction, hold this to me, some of this stuff, it just gets more like it just becomes more obvious as you spend more time in this space. And what I see happening is when Vanguard finally decides to let their customers onboard onto Bitcoin, the price is probably going to be much higher, and then their customers are going to onboard themselves, and the price is, that's going to be the end of the bull market, and the price dumps, and then all their customers get screwed over. So this is kind of like a rinse and repeat thing, and that's probably what to expect, all right? And if you want to know who the biggest players of this spot Bitcoin ETF are, BlackRock and Fidelity have the largest volume right now. That's pretty much to be expected as well. I think BlackRock is going to be well on top. I think that's what is to be expected in the near term. I don't see any. BlackRock doesn't have competitors. Think about it this way. It's like when BlackRock decided to get a spot Bitcoin ETF, everybody else was super excited. Why? Because they never lose anything, and they know they own everybody knows they own the SEC. That is why Gary Gensler's like, wasn't too happy, like, oh yeah, I don't like Bitcoin, I don't approve of it. But he did approve of it. If you watch Heidi's video yesterday, there's two people that didn't approve the spot Bitcoin ETF. Gary Gensler was not one of the ones that denied the spot Bitcoin ETF. And these people are not upfront, they're liars, they're thieves. This is just what to expect from central bank puppets like him. Lastly, we have monetary inflation that is about to go ballistic. We have oil breaking out. That's not very deflationary. as said, for 4 years now, this commodities bull is a lifetime opportunity. So Bitcoin is definitely a winner when it comes to monetary inflation. So is oil. Oil is going to be much higher in the future. Buckle up because inflation and currency printing has just begun. Anyways, please like and subscribe. And if you do want to check out our portfolio, learningcrypto.com, home of the CT Club. Bye-bye.